In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record acoustic guitar with two mics. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of setting up two microphones to record your acoustic guitar. Recording acoustic guitar with two microphones can capture a richer, more detailed, and spatially wider sound than a single mic setup. So the advantages will include enhanced stereo imaging, greater sonic control, and the flexibility in mixing, especially by having separate mic signals. So common two mic techniques will include a spaced pair. This technique involves placing two microphones at a distance from each other. So instead of having them close by, make sure that you distance them. A common approach is to place one microphone near the 12th fret for clarity and articulation, and the other near the bridge or sound hole for warmth and body. Pay close attention to the phase relationship when using a spaced pair. The 3-to-1 rule, meaning the distance between the mics should be at least 3 times the distance from each mic to the guitar. This will help minimize phase issues. You have the X and Y configuration, where you use two cardioid microphones placed close together with their capsules angled at 90 degrees. And it provides a focused stereo image with good mono compatibility. And finally, the ORTF configuration. This uses two cardioid microphones, but they are angled 110 degrees and spaced slightly apart. This will replicate the way human ears perceive sound, resulting in a natural sounding stereo image. You have to be aware of the microphone selection. Condenser microphones are generally preferred for acoustic guitar recordings. So in this example here, I chose this model from Audio-Technica. You can look for pencil condenser microphones if you want to look for something similar. These are preferred for acoustic guitar recordings, and you can use two of the same type or a combination of different types, such as a small and then a large diaphragm condenser. Phase cancellation can occur when sound waves from two microphones arrive at the recording device at slightly different times, so you should use the phase reversal switch on your audio interface or mixer to check for phase issues, so be aware of these possible limitations or interferences. Keeping the microphones the same distance from the guitar can help, and of course be aware of the room's acoustics to significantly impact the recording. Minimize unwanted reflections and background noise, and don't be afraid to experiment. And then you can just record as usual. If you are recording to a PC, make sure that both of them are connected to your audio interface, which consequently feeds into your PC as the inputs. You can set both of them up in places like FL Studio, and as long as you choose both of the inputs, you will be good to go to record with two mics at once. Experiment with different placements to find the best audio suited for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to record acoustic guitar with two mics. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.